got it. See, you're starting to get it now.
Well, I've never not got it. I just don't think that this is a valuable target for a terrorist. I don't think police personnel are targets for terrorists. Excuse me?
Are you even filming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not a terrorist. Like.
Just holding your phone, or is it run out of battery or anything? Or
no, I'm holding it.
Still working. Let's have a look.
A simple police station audit suddenly turns into a terrorism-level suspicion case. Just because a man was filming outside a police station, officers begin treating him like a potential threat. And within minutes, the situation escalates beyond control.
But I don't.
That makes me very jumpy.
Just to let you know as well, we're on body video as well, okay?
All right. What are you jumpy about?
Well, my personal details going out on social media or something like that.
Like you're just assuming that it's going to go on social media. Do you know any of this? Like you're just assuming.
No, I'm asking you.
Okay. What do you want me to say? Like.
Well, I want you to tell me what you're going to do with that information.
It's my own recreation, whatever I please to do with it.
So what makes you want to do it then?
I'm not interested in anyone's private plates. Who can pull information from your reg?
So why are you filming the cars when they come out of there then?
Because this is what I'm choosing to do with my time today.
Yeah, but why are you doing that? But you're saying you're not interested in people's private plates.
No, I'm not.
You're recording when they come out of there.
What can I do with someone's private plate? Only yourselves in the DVLA could pull that info.
I've got no idea.
Okay, well rest assured I'm not interested.
It makes me feel very uncomfortable.
Alright, well Sergeant, rest assured I'm not interested in harming anyone or using your plate for any sort of
And also,
ulterior motives.
Being a police station, okay, this is a target of anyone for anything. And that makes me quite nervous that you're actually filming a police station.
Well, I can do it. I'm in public. I can film any police station I like. Do you think this is a valuable target for
Yeah, I do.
who?
I've got no idea.
Like who?
It's a police station.
So what, has this police station been attacked before? Like where's the basis for this argument coming from? Like,
it's not an argument.
Okay, what's a fact, is it?
It's a fact, isn't it?
Alright, well
Observation.
I'm just like rest assured I'm not here for no trouble.
Same fella. Have you been anywhere else today? No? You've been filming other police stations at all?
Is it your business?
Yeah, it is. I'm asking you now, yeah. Because if you're going around filming all the police stations, that
Yeah.
makes me feel very uneasy.
Right.
And
So
I think
what are you trying to
need
do?
to investigate that.
Okay, what do you want to investigate?
Why you are filming Hampshire.
The scene opens outside Southampton's Central Police Station, and immediately the tone is set. This isn't just casual filming. This is a deliberate audit in progress. The auditor stands firm, camera rolling, confidently walking the line between public right and perceived suspicion. Almost instantly, a detective sergeant steps in a frame. Calm, controlled, but clearly cautious. His attention locks onto one key issue. Why are police officers and their vehicles being filmed so closely? What begins as a simple question quickly turns into a subtle power struggle. The auditor refuses to back down, repeatedly reinforcing that everything is happening in a public space and within legal rights. The officer, meanwhile, begins to express discomfort, especially around privacy and security implications. From the very first exchange, the energy shifts, curiosity turns into tension, and tension quietly builds into confrontation.
Filming Hampshire police stations. Is my conversation not clear? Are you not clear on what I'm saying?
I can film any police station, whether it's Hampshire, Surrey, any county.
Your personal details.
No, I won't. No.
First name, surname, date of birth, anything like that. Address.
Why? Have I committed an offence?
I'm not saying you have. I'm just asking the question if you're willing to provide police with that
You
information.
seem very on edge. Is there anything I can do to put you at ease?
I told you why I'm on edge.
This is a camera, mate. I've given you assurances that I'm not here for any trouble.
Have I explained that? Have you not registered that?
I don't even think you are on edge. There's three of you. I've got a camera. Like, you guys are armed. Like, why would you be on edge? Should I not be the one that's on
Because
edge?
it's when we're coming out in personal vehicles.
Yeah, but what can I possibly do with your personal vehicle?
tell me.
Then you should maybe consider taking the bus to work or something. I don't really understand.
So why should myself and my colleagues, or our way of getting to work?
Because you're so concerned about security arrangements and whatnot. So if it's such a security risk...
I'll tell you why, because police officers get attacked on and off duty.
Right.
That's what makes me nervous.
Okay.
And they do that because people share our private information information and track us down to where we live with our families. That makes me nervous.
So has there been any cases of someone filming private plates and then going on to attack
I've got no
police
idea.
officers? Well, if you don't have any idea, then you can't be making those assumptions. Like.
Well, I can.
Well, no, you just said
Because
I have no
work-
idea. Like,
work
you're a
in this
detective,
I
mate.
work in this industry, in the security industry, and I know police officers have been followed home. I know police officers' vehicles have been targeted.
Okay, well, I'm telling
I
you
know
that I'm not interested in harming any police
Yeah, but I
officer.
don't know that, do I?
All right, well then, what are we gonna? All right, how are we gonna proceed then?
Well, I'd like you to go if possible.
So is that gonna like? What does that achieve? Like, I'm not gonna go.
Well, it makes me feel better. I don't understand why you want to put me on this edge.
I'm not putting you. You're putting yourself. I don't even think you are on edge. I feel like you just want to come out and bark a few directives and stuff. Like,
Right, only directives.
I feel like you want to flex a bit of perceived jurisdiction that you've got.
Really,
Like,
I'm too old for that. Really, if I'm honest.
all right, well then let's leave.
The conversation deepens, and now the officer's concerns become more direct. He raises issues about officer safety, personal vehicles, and the potential consequences of filming operational staff in and around a police station. The auditor pushes back immediately, challenging the logic behind those concerns. He questions why lawful filming is being treated as suspicious behavior, especially when it is openly done in public view. At this point, both sides are no longer just speaking, they are positioning. One side is focused on control and safety, the other on rights and transparency. The tension becomes more visible as more officers begin to appear in the background, silently observing the interaction.
Leave it at that. It's Friday afternoon. I've engaged. I've told you I'm not here for trouble. Like, I feel like
You haven't given a good reason for doing it.
I don't need a reason though. What I'm doing is lawful.
I'm not saying it's not lawful.
Okay, so why would I need a reason?
It's just like my colleague is explaining it.
Do I have to account for my actions in a public place doing something legal? You can find it strange. It's not illegal if it's strange. Like, I don't have to say anything.
It's definitely suspicious behaviour around police stations in the current state of affairs around the world, isn't it?
What state of affairs?
When people are getting, Royal Police officers are getting injured, like my colleague said, on off duty, it just makes it's a bit concerning.
What, on the basis
officers
of being
working.
filmed? Like,
But it's like,
where that
we keep going around in
information
circles
goes.
now, don't we? But is there anything you need to report to us today?
No.
Is that the reason why you're here?
no,
No? Why are you here then?
to film
Why to film?
because this
do
is
you
what I
achieve
want to do.
filming? Do you not see from our point of view that it could be considered a bit of a security risk?
No,
Why? Okay.
because I'm not trying to. I'm not doing it covertly. I'm doing it. It's very overt, right in front of your face. I'm giving you ample opportunity to grab me, like
It may make
perspective.
it may make other members of the public that see you doing this, and obviously police officers and police staff coming out of here, be on edge. Why does he film me? Okay.
Because we're in public. You guys have got cameras everywhere. Like, you're filming.
And there's
Like,
CCTV all the way around.
of
the
course
city,
there
isn't
is, exactly. So what? I don't know why we've got such a
And obviously today we've
front
got another one.
about
Do you not think that
filming.
the police station could be a security risk?
Is it not a secure building? Like,
That wasn't my question. Do you concede that people may want to target a police station?
no,
You don't concede
because
that?
it's not. I don't think it's a valuable target. I don't know what sort of people you're referring to.
Well, anyone. Terrorists for one. Anyone. Terrorists for one.
Okay, well, I don't believe that this is a valuable target for a terrorist. It's not like a civilian dense place, is it?
No, but it's related
It
to
wouldn't
a
be
government
easy to plan.
organisation, and people like to target the government. And the
They
police
don't,
is
though.
about it.
Now the conversation takes a sharper turn. The word security risk enters the discussion. Police begin suggesting that filming a police station and recording vehicle movements could potentially be linked to wider threats or misuse of information. The tone shifts from concern to implied suspicion. The auditor strongly rejects this framing. He questions the logic, asking for evidence or real-world justification. According to him, filming in public does not automatically equal threat. This is where the confrontation intensifies, because now it is no longer just about filming. It's about intent being questioned.
Do they? Terrorists don't target government, do they? They
Yeah.
go for they
That's why it's
blow up
called
buses
terrorism.
or
No,
train
that's why it's
stations and
called
that.
Terrorism. Because it's specifically
Or to coerce the government into doing something. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly right. You got it. See, you're starting to get it now.
Well, I've never not got it. I just don't think that this is a valuable target for a terrorist. I don't think police personnel are targets for
filming?
terrorists. Excuse me?
Are you even filming?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or just
I'm not a terrorist. Like,
Just holding your phone, or is it run out of battery or anything? Or
no, I'm holding it.
Still work get some of it.
Why do you want to have a
Just
look?
asking, question
No, you're
mark.
good.
Just
But
curious.
what's wrong with just chill, man? Like, why you got such an attitude? Like,
Okay. Attitude.
it's filming, bro. Rest assured, it's filming. Like, I don't think this is a valuable target for a terrorist. Has the police station ever been attacked
Yeah. Up in
by a
London,
terrorist? Has they?
Yeah. London
Which
police
one?
stations have been attacked quite regularly.
I don't think they have.
Okay.
Well, name one then. So you can't name them, but you're saying that it's happened. Well, which one then?
I can tell you, but I won't.
What?
I can tell you, but I won't.
You can tell me, but you won't.
Yeah.
All right, that's a bit odd. I don't know
why.
why.
You, not giving a reason for being here.
Yeah, but I'm not making an argument that police stations have been attacked before.
Okay. Search the internet. You might find some information.
I have. I wouldn't be irresponsible and do this if I didn't know that. If this was like a genuine security risk and this genuinely posed a threat, I wouldn't be irresponsible and come and do this. Believe me. And if this was behaviour that I knew that terrorists engaged in,
But it is.
I would
They
have.
film
No, it's
targets. They
what,
definitely-
overtly
Well, they might
with
do.
this little crappy
How do
little
I know
gimbal.
You're not a terrorist. How do I know that? How do I know that?
You don't know that, but you have to go
Exactly
based
right.
on what you do know. There needs to be an objective
so
basis.
What I do know is I've got a man who's not willing to give his details stood in front of me who's filming police stations.
Okay.
So that's what I do know. That's the facts.
Okay.
Is it not?
So me filming does not implicate me as any sort of like prospective terrorist
No,
or
but it raises
otherwise.
my suspicion.
Well, you can be suspicious all you want. Like it's not a crime.
The escalation continues. Officers start focusing more on the auditor's behavior. Multiple references are made to filming other police stations and the lack of personal explanation. Suspicion is now openly building. The auditor refuses to provide unnecessary details, repeatedly reinforcing that no law is being broken. This creates a deadlock. Police want justification. The auditor insists none is required. The atmosphere becomes noticeably heavier. This is no longer a casual street discussion. It is evolving into a formal assessment of risk and behavior.
You suspecting me of doing something is not a crime. You need to have some sort of reasonable suspicion or objective basis to suspect me as a terrorist.
No. Well, at the moment, I think you are filming a police station.
Yeah.
With no reason to do that.
Mm-hmm.
You are refusing to give your details. I have no idea where that information's going, and I know you have filmed other Hampshire police stations.
Okay, so how do we proceed?
I don't know, do we have a power of search? Section 44? 43, is it? I think we can do that. I think we can do that.
You sure you want to do that?
Oh, yeah, I do.
I don't think you got grounds for a
Well, I'm
section
telling
43
you-
search.
Well, I'm telling you, I think I do, okay? So,
Yeah, well, it's not about thinking. This is objective. It's not an opinion,
Okay,
is it?
okay, look.
The legislation's black and white. It's not I think.
you can have this conversation with the solicitor afterwards and they can come after me at a later date. That's absolutely fine, okay?
Okay.
That's your right.
So you're going to abuse my rights now, yeah?
Okay, no, I'm not. I'm going to use our powers. So
Okay.
what I'm saying, I find your behaviour very suspicious.
Okay.
You are filming not just this police station in Hampshire, but other police stations in Hampshire. You can give me no legal,
Listen to what you're saying,
you can
Hampshire.
give no legal reason why you are doing
Okay.
that, other than because you want to.
Yeah,
You are
that's- I don't
refusing
need
your
a
details,
reason.
So we can't even verify who you are or what you are doing it for. Therefore,
I'm not obliged to
I
give
consider
details.
that to be quite a big terrorist risk. Okay, so you are now detained for this search.
Okay.
Okay, under what is it, section 43 of the Terrorism Act?
Can I leave this running?
Okay, of course you can, absolutely. So these officers are going to search you now in order to see if there is anything that needs to raise that suspicion even further.
So what items? Who's conducting the search
These
firstly?
two are going to conduct the search.
But you've just
Yeah, I've given
launched
you
with
the
it.
grounds.
So what are these officers going to be searching for?
Anything related to terrorism?
Such as
or
what?
any-
That's a bit abstract, isn't it? Any sort of
Well, it
specific
is.
items?
Not at the moment. That's what
Maps.
that's what we are doing it for. To confirm who you are. That may help us.
So you're searching for my ID?
Well, no.
This is the turning point of the entire encounter. Police escalate the situation under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, officially detaining the auditor for a search based on suspicion. The shift is immediate and dramatic. Verbal debate ends. Legal authority begins. The auditor questions the grounds, but the decision has already been made. Officers explain that the detention is for the purpose of searching for anything linked to terrorism. The energy in the scene changes completely. What was once discussion is now control and compliance under law.
And anything relating to terrorism. So if all of a sudden we find ID and
Yeah.
that says actually this bloke's okay, there's nothing to worry about.
I am okay. I've told you I'm okay.
Yeah, I know you've told me, but I don't know that. Or it might say he's on a terrorist watch list, and then we've got something to worry about, haven't we? So
You're not going to find my info
Okay,
though.
that's fine. But they're going to search you for that purpose.
This
okay?
power doesn't. I don't have to provide my information than this power.
No, I'm not asking to provide anything. I'm
But you
saying
just
they
said
can search it.
you're hoping to find ID, this and that. Like,
Yeah, if they find it, we'll look at it. That's what's going to happen.
can I get your collar number, please?
Yeah, 3358. Detective Sergeant Jamie Wiseman, Southampton Police Station, Hampshire.
It's abusing civil rights at the moment. Yeah, it's my
Okay,
perfect
that's
right to
fine.
film it from public.
Yeah, of course you have.
Yeah. So then, why are you infringing on that?
I've told you that. Have you not understood what I've said?
You know you can be sued in a civil court.
That's absolutely fine. You can go down that route. I haven't got a problem with that.
You sure you want to do this?
Yeah,
All right.
yeah, I do.
Okay, I'm not going to obstruct the search.
Ready?
Okay, cool.
My colleague's going to do the search.
All right.
What's your first name? Are we able to see?
I'm not going to give you my name, my friend.
It's just so we can have better communication
Okay.
skills. That's all
All
it
right.
is.
Can I keep this in my hand?
Give me your hand,
Big, big guy. I'm not going to.
So all I want to do is so that I can communicate with you, so I can tell you what I'm going to do.
All right.
before I
No,
do
you
it.
crack on, mate.
So what was your name?
I'm not going to give my.
First name. That's all I want.
Is this a search or is this trying to find my details? Like, I don't really
So
understand. What...
you've already been told the grounds.
All right. Why don't you call me sir? How about that?
Okay, sir, you've already been told the grounds. So
Okay.
PC file from Southampton Central Police
Alright.
Station. The reason we're searching you is because you're acting suspicious outside a police
I
station.
thought he explained the grounds.
Yeah, no, we've got to go through something prior to doing the search.
Go wisely, yeah.
Okay, there you go. Yes,
Let my colleague explain it.
there we go.
Sure.
Okay, so that's obviously the grounds for the search. You can see my warrant card if you'd like to see my
No,
warrant
it's
card.
cool.
Okay.
Just get on with it.
Okay. So fast. Of the search is in order to essentially see if there is anything that you have on your possession.
The search begins, and the situation becomes more procedural but no less tense. Officers attempt to verify identity and explain the scope of the search. The auditor, however, continues to challenge the legality and necessity of every step, arguing that suspicion alone is not enough to justify such action. There's a clear clash of perspectives. Police operate on precaution and authority. Auditor operates on rights and accountability. Every instruction, every response, adds more pressure to an already tense scene.
That is involved with terrorism, okay, or anything, okay. Was that sorry? And you can have a copy of the search if you
Yes,
like
please.
a
Yes,
copy of
please.
the
Yes,
search.
please. Yes, please.
Okay.
You are detained for the purpose of.
And you're detained for the section 44. Okay, if you can
Alright.
step forward for me, just so I don't.
Steve hands away from your waist whilst my colleague searching him. In the meantime, maybe take your bag off your shoulders, please.
This ain't good, you know,
Hey?
Sergeant. This isn't good. Like, you should be like preserving people's rights. Like, you should be encouraging.
Sharp or anything like that?
No.
Sir?
You should be encouraging like this sort of citizen journalism and stuff. Like, you got to work with photographers and stuff like that to help identify criminals and that. Do you know what I mean? You wanna go put on a jacket or something?
I am a bit cold, but I'm all right.
So you weren't dealing with a terrorist, like.
Did you carry ID with you?
No.
Do you drive?
Yeah.
You drive. How did you arrive here today?
Don't know.
Train. You've been to Fareham today, haven't you? And then the station's just there, so possibly been travelling by
Just
train.
search your waistband.
Yeah.
Or suspect.
Just lift that hand up for me, please. Does your Pronto work?
Say again, sorry.
Does your Pronto work for the search?
Yes, it does, mate. Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't. So, get you straighten your arm out for me. I'm just going to check that.
You local to Southampton? Local to Fareham? Local to here?
No.
No. Where'd
The search continues deeper, moving beyond surface-level checks into questioning and background verification. Officers attempt to understand travel details and identity-related information. The auditor refuses to go beyond what he believes is legally required, keeping strict control over what he shares. At this stage, the interaction becomes psychological as much as procedural. It's a test of patience, authority, and legal boundaries. The tension remains constant, with neither side giving ground.
No.
No, where did you come from then?
I'm not gonna answer that.
I'm just going to check the front.
Travelled here by car, is that where you got
Yeah.
Mercedes keys on you?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mercedes keys on you?
exactly.
On the bag as well, mate.
So what? Could you go over the grounds one more time?
I think he's already done it.
So what are the grounds? The fact that I'm filming and not giving my name.
It's been explained by the sergeant. It's been explained by my colleague as well.
Oh, what's these? This is the armed response unit, is it? Is this like the counter-terrorism unit? No, I'm not being funny, genuinely. No, you don't want to answer.
I don't find this funny either.
No.
I find this...
Would you find it? Potential terrorist behaviour, is it? Is that what you find
at
it?
the end of the day, we're just exercising our powers where we feel they're right.
Yeah.
And we're dealing with what we see in front of us, alright?
Right. Okay, you done with that? Like, do you want to keep... Why are you keeping hold of that?
Open and closing it. That's all I'm doing is open and closing.
Oh, can I have my property back?
No, not yet. We haven't finished the search. Still detained for this moment of time.
Yeah.
7-2.
Who are they? Is that the counter-terrorism unit?
Is it?
Is it? Yeah. No.
Counter-terrorism don't work here.
That's where you're right.
Can I get my stuff back, bro?
You're still detained for the purpose of search at the moment.
What about, do you want to check that this isn't like a weapon or something?
Should we?
I don't know. Like, you need to do a comprehensive search. Like, don't leave any stone unturned.
Sorry, Charlie, ready around about you.
You know, if you keep abusing this legislation, like, you're gonna...
The conversation shifts again into legal argument. The auditor begins referencing misuse of terrorism powers and questions the effectiveness of such searches. He argues that without real evidence, the detention feels unjustified. Officers, however, stand by their decision, reinforcing that suspicion and behavior are enough under the legislation. This segment feels almost like a street-level courtroom, each side defending its interpretation of law and necessity.
lose it, you know. You were going to say section 44, like that was repelled because you were just searching people without no ground. Not you, but officers were searching people with no grounds.
Decision's way above my pay grade, isn't it?
No, I know, of course, but like the European Court of Human Rights repelled that legislation for this reason. So like the more cases of this section 43 power being used and negative outcomes of searches and whatnot, eventually you're going to lose it.
Okay.
And I believe it's an important piece of legislation to actually catch real terrorists.
Yeah.
I'll be interested to know how many of these searches resulted in in convictions. I know you can't. I don't think there have been any. I'll be interested to know if any convictions have come as a result. Can you? I don't know why he's holding on to my property still.
Because you're still detained for a search at the moment.
Okay.
Uh, 24 to 36.
Were you expecting to find like an ISIS membership card or something like?
Tattoos or anything? Any tattoos? I was going to put this property.
Why does it matter?
Because I'm asking you to see if I can help. See if I can help myself.
Why am I going to help you, Lynn? I don't have to assist you. I don't have to assist you in an investigation, do I?
It's not an investigation.
Rice vs. Connolly, 1966. I don't have to assist you.
Say again, sorry.
I don't have to assist you.
I haven't asked.
Okay, well, just letting you know my position, like.
No, 46 call down.
The search concludes with no evidence found. However, the situation does not immediately end. Officers continue procedural checks, and the auditor remains under detention for identity clarification. The auditor challenges this, arguing that once the search is negative, continued detention becomes questionable. Despite this, police maintain control, extending the interaction beyond the search itself. The tension begins to slowly loosen, but not fully.
Just filming, that's why.
Yeah. Any interesting cases?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I have lots of interesting
Yeah.
cases.
Harassing photographers, that's just like a pastime.
Someone's harassing you.
Well, I'm nothing more than a photographer.
So you say. That's great.
So the outcome of the search was negative. So why am I still detained? If you've completed the search,
At the moment, we're trying to identify who you are.
I know, but you've just detained me for the purposes of a search, not to find out my identity. So now,
And at this
as
time,
I'm further detained, this is becoming more and more unlawful because now you're detaining me to find out my name. Like, that wasn't the object of the search, was it? So like, fine, this is your discretion, but Sergeant, any comment to make? Like, you've done the search, it's come back negative. I know, but you're the one that's launched with the power, so I feel like you're the
The
one.
officer said you was trying to find out your identity.
Yeah, but that wasn't the purpose of the search.
Okay,
Section 43 doesn't require me to give my
Is
details.
that what you're saying? Do you want to go?
Yes.
All right then.
Well, can I have my stuff back?
Yeah.
His stuff's
Alright.
in the back. He's put it in the front.
All right. Well, I'm free to go. I'm free to go. Yeah.
would you like to check us in there before you leave, just so you can ensure that you've got your property?
Am I free to go?
Yeah.
So I'm free to stay. Where did you put it, mate? In here. All right. Can I get a copy of the search slip, please? So I'm free to go. I'm free to stay as well.
We don't know who you are, do we? We can't write your details, you know, can we? 'Cause you won't tell us what they are.
Employee, mate, you're doing nothing wrong.
Yeah, I know, mate. You don't need to write my name. Just obviously explain the grounds for the search.
Where are you going to go now?
I'm not going anywhere.
You're interested.
Finally, the situation winds down. Property is returned, and the auditor is informed he is free to go. But even in release, the tone remains uneasy. The final exchange reflects lingering disagreement rather than resolution. The auditor continues to question the legitimacy of the detention, while officers stand firm on their actions. As the scene closes, viewers are left with a powerful impression. This wasn't just a stop and search. It was a full-scale legal confrontation over rights, suspicion, and police authority in a public space.